All right, everyone, Dr. Phil, it is Wednesday the 8th. It's about quarter to 12. So I have your fourth exam all set. I want to show you where it is, where it's located. Today's the 8th. I really want to finish up the nervous system. We're going to a little bit into special senses. I posted some videos. We'll do a little bit about autonomic nervous system, parasympathetic, sympathetic, the locations, kind of what they do, whether it's, yeah, we'll get into like if it's short neuron to a long neuron ganglion or a long ganglion into a short ganglion, just showing you the difference. One of them is going to be craniosacral, the other one's going to be really more thoracolumbar-ish, and we'll show you location. It'll make sense to you when we get there. So I want to get that done. And then next week, we will do muscles. So I already posted a video on the cross-bridge theory. We already sort of did a neuromuscular junction explanation of the synaptic cleft and the calcium rushing in. So that'll be a little bit of review. We'll get into the sarcolemma next week. And theoretically, we have the 22nd also. So we're in really good shape. We'll see where we end up next week. And then I'm kind of toying with the idea, if you want to do the last exam in person, the advantage to that would be you can backtrack if you want. But I'm okay with what I'm devising now. So I'm going to show you, I've changed it quite a bit. We spent about 9 hours on this, so I'm hoping that it works out for everyone. I took the exam myself. I got an 88, and then I realized there was a couple problems with the matching, and it wasn't giving me credit for the whole block if I got one wrong. So I was able to fix that. I fixed a couple spelling errors, there's a few in there that I may have forgotten, so I will apologize for that ahead of time. And just pop in here. Okay, so we're going to go into course info here, test folder for deployment. All right, so I have it in here. Fall 2021 4B, nervous system. I'm going to quickly do this super to just kind of show you the format. So I've got a random block here. So you'll each get some of those questions. Then I've got some questions here that I've gone over countless numbers of times. So you should be able to get all those right. Everyone's going to get those questions. I've got another random block here. I've got 43 questions in total. You're going to get 31 of those. Right? Then I've got some other questions here. And there's some matching. All right, so it can be basic eye structures and functions, and then special senses, hearing, balance, smell, and taste. You've got some matching there. Should not be a problem at all. And then I have another random block of 5 questions on special senses. You will, whatever you get, you're going to get 2 of those. All right, so you should be in super good shape. Now I can deploy this at any point in time. So I've got it open theoretically tonight at 10 until next week at 11:59. So you'll have a week to do it. I think it's 65 or 70 minutes, so you should have plenty of time for that. So tonight we're going to finish up nervous system. I do not have notes. Duplicating's got a little issue. There's basically no one there. Anyway, so I guess I could have ordered from North Campus, but I wouldn't have had it in time. So if you want to click on the PowerPoints and just print up an outline, but we're pretty much going to go over the videos, or you guys can go over the videos, and there's pictures in there So we'll just talk about structures. In lab, we're going to be talking about the eye and doing the eye dissection. I have the thaumascope and the otoscope. So hopefully, if you're up for it, we can look at each other's retina or like the tympanic membrane. We can check for fluid, things like that. If you're comfortable, you know, with the precautions, obviously, due to the environment, we'll deal with that. All right, so I'm going to upload this, and then I'll pop it into the course, or maybe I can email it to you. I'll figure out what I can do with this. Hopefully, stop sharing. Stop recording.